Today we're taking a close look at this wireless adapter that the team very kindly sent out to me to take a look at. This is to connect your phone to your car using your car's USB port. It is a thumb size adapter and it runs on both Apple and Android version 10 Plus. It has a very quick seamless connection using your Bluetooth. Turn on your wireless settings and your Bluetooth settings to pair your phone to the dongle, and it allows you to use things like the navigation apps, music, and take and receive telephone calls, and just generally use your phone hands-free connected to your car. It's compatible with Google Maps and Apple Maps, as well as Apple Music and YouTube Music as well, and Spotify. To pair the device, turn your Bluetooth on and your wireless and wait for the connection. It has a very seamless connection as well, so you're going to really enjoy your music without any latency. The overall build quality looks absolutely fantastic. The reviews are also amazing with 5 stars, so really looking forward to trying this one out. Thanks again to the team for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate it, and thank you for watching.